What's the meaning of calabash tree? Calabash tree. Calabash tree.
Calabash tree. Calabash tree. The calabash tree, also known as the bottle gourd tree or the African calabash, is a tropical tree that can reach up to 10 meters in height. It produces large, spherical fruits that resemble gourds and have a hard, woody outer shell when mature. These gourds have been used for centuries by various cultures for a variety of purposes, such as making utensils, musical instruments, and even as containers for food and water. In some cultures, the calabash tree also has spiritual significance, often being associated with fertility and protection.